Hello there, welcome to Genesis Models. My name is Bobby Waldron and welcome to the first vlog for 2018. Been a fantastic year last year doing all the builds and everything. Hopefully over Christmas you managed to get all the kits you want to do. Hopefully you're jumping right into them, getting them builds, watching whatever tips and tricks on the website and everything. Hopefully your modelling is coming along rather nicely, and hopefully for 2018 we'll see hopefully a load of new sort of brand new tools and new kits coming out, and we can jump into them as well as all the videos I'm probably going to be doing. So to start off with, we have last month's competition. The competition for last month in December, I was giving away the 1/48 scale Master Series by cyberhobby.com, and that was their BF 110D1 stroke R1. Really cool kit. Now, after doing the usual random number generation program and running down the thread, I came to Big J. So congratulations to you, Big J. Just give me an email and I'll ship this out to you free of charge. But there was a second prize for our December competition, and that was for a year's free membership here at Genesis Models, so that you can go behind the scenes, go on the website, and you can check out all the video builds, step-by-steps, tutorials, absolutely everything to do with modeling, and watch that for free for a year. So after doing, again, the usual random number generation program and counting down, I came to Andy Bowles. So congratulations to Andy Bowles. Give me again an email and I'll I'll give you the details to subscribe to Genesis Models free for a year. Which then also brings us to this month. This month we have started a brand spanking new group build. But before we get into the brand new group build, we'll start off with the new group build and then we'll announce what the last group build was. The new group build is the 1/32 scale or bigger GB. This GB really opens up for you lot to just build pretty much whatever you want, as long as it's on sort of like a big scale like we have here. We have the Spitfire by Tamiya 1/32 scale, you know, something big like that. And I mean, absolutely any subjects, armor, warships, even figures, I guess. But I mean, you want to be going like big for this one, but anything that sort of gives you an interest. Hopefully a lot of you will get on board. I've already seen on here as well that you lot are actually you've started doing their builds and stuff, so that will be, well, it has already started on the 2nd of January 2018, and the end date will be the 1st of June 2018. So you've got plenty of time to get in there, get building, and then I'll get judging them like you're going to see in a bit, because what has just ended is the post-apocalyptic group build. Didn't have a big turnout for it, but still it was a lot of nice work going on in this post-apocalyptic group build. Really, this time I've really had a hard time, I mean, just looking at these pictures, a hard time really sort of trying to pick someone to be a winner. I mean, it's not a case of first, second and third. I mean, the top three have really come in like first, second and third. They're just so close, you know, so sorry if you think maybe you should have won or not, or whatever. It is just so close, but I've got to pick somebody. So after really sort of going over this a lot, I came to, for third place, was by VDB076. So congratulations to you, VDB076. You have came third place for your post-apocalyptic build, which is some really cool how would Santa sort of deliver his presents basically in an apocalyptic world. Really love this because you've got really good weathering going on with this, lovely chipping. You can see the spray works looking good. We've got miniatures in here as well, faces and everything. All looks really nice, clean. well, I mean, it looks dirty, but I mean the whole work of it's like a clean job, and I do love all the weathering that's going on, the rust and everything that's going on with that, and the photography as well is also pretty top notch. Also, do like the faces, you've got some skill going on with that, so congratulations to you. Next we have for second place is not that one. Hold on, give me a second. For this one it was Timbo. So congratulations to Timbo, you came second, and that was for your German 1/35 scale V1. Now this one, I really like this one. I really love how you've done that whole sort of diorama going on. You've got a little bit of a pier thing going on with rubber tires, and you've got the whole water effect going on there, which is looking you know, really, you know, top-notch diorama. And then the actual V1 itself, really well weathered, the weapons on it, it's just looking again a stunning piece of work, which then does bring us to our Top Gun, which you will get your name on the Top Gun trophy. And remember, everybody's going to have their trophies shipped out to you free of charge, but I did end up picking Ted USA for our Top Gun, our first place, and that was for this this kind of absolutely, I mean, there is so much going on with this diorama. The rust work on here looks absolutely amazing. The damage, the amount of, I mean, it's just it is just amazing, the amount of detail and how much is going on in here. The picture works fantastic. We've got this lovely engine going on here, which is completely and utterly rusted. He's used all the different rust techniques. You've got what looks like some post-apocalyptic vehicle, again, that's just been sort of left and it's just rusted to complete and utter rustiness. So much stuff going on around the diorama. Absolutely love it, and it's definitely, I think, well deserving of Top Gun. But again, I mean, all three of you were just so close. I mean, any one of you could have been coming Top Gun or anything like that. So big congratulations there, and hopefully that's going to wet your lips for the 1/32 scale or bigger group build that has just started. So if you want to get in and get your work out there, get the pictures done, get the work done, and hopefully win yourself a trophy and even get your name on the Top Gun trophy, you know, get involved, and it should be a nice group build. But apart from that, we have been, well, I've been working on, actually, just to sort of show you some things I've been going on. I have been working on our Spitfire. I'm working on that right now. We'll have an episode of this going up. We really are sort of getting into the weathering stage with this build, which is sort of getting exciting because we're sort of getting to the end, which means starting a new step-by-step. Also, FA-18's coming along. We've got our little figure here, a little Space Marine. We've done some weathering on this one as well. We'll begin the latest video for that going up soon also. So yeah, hopefully you've enjoyed this vlog for the first vlog for January 2018. So until next time, my name is Bob Waldron, and I hope you've enjoyed.